But in all seriousness, I do want people to be careful with the weather tomorrow. We will have some strong to severe thunderstorms moving through the area, so I want to get you right to Futurecast right now. And we're going to go ahead and start this at 11 o'clock. So not too long from now, we do have a little bit of moisture trying to make its way in from our southwest. But once again, I'm not expecting much from this. The main event for us does not arrive until early tomorrow morning. So let's go ahead and put this in motion. Again, a shower or two can't be ruled out through about 1 o'clock, but we're not going to see any severe weather from these showers. The bulk of the activities coming out of the west, and you can see the front right there on your screen. This is 3 o'clock. It begins to make its way through the DFW area. That will be their severe weather threat, while we're remaining dry here in East Texas. But as we go into about daybreak tomorrow, between about 6:30 and 7:30, that's when the line is going to start to move into our western counties. Now, if you live out west, then you're going to start to see the threat of damaging winds just because of the shape of these storms. They're in a line. That means there's going to be a wind threat with it, and really gets going by about 9 o'clock. Look at that in our central counties especially, and pointing off to the east. You're in the danger zone now if you're in our eastern counties. We advance this out to about 11 o'clock in the morning. That's when the line does start to move off to the east into Louisiana. So this is a quick hitting bout of severe weather, but once again, the end result's going to be much better than what we're having right now with those warm and humid conditions. And look at that, we're dry by about noontime with most of the rain in Louisiana by then. Clear skies by early tomorrow evening. This is 7 o'clock. It's actually going to be pretty nice, maybe even porch-like weather with those temperatures being in the 60s by then. And then Thursday morning, we might have some wraparound clouds move into the region, but don't cancel those plans Thursday because of the rain. However, it's going to be quite windy as we go into Thursday morning, so if you're going to fly a drone or something, probably not the best day to do that. But other than that, you're going to be able to get outside. Here's the severe weather outlook for tonight. Most of this activity is occurring off to our west. Again, this is valid through very early tomorrow morning. And then once we get to about daybreak through 1 or 2, that's going to be the prime time for some of those showers and thunderstorms to get going. Really here in deep East Texas, where we do see the threat of some damaging winds and heavy rain. We also have got a secondary threat of a couple of minor spin-ups right along that line, which tends to happen. So I do want everybody to be very careful. Give yourself some extra time if you're taking the kiddos to school or you're taking yourself to work or anything like that. But heavy rain could happen at times, especially tomorrow morning in deep East Texas. Beneficial rainfall. This is actually the silver lining for us. 1 up to an inch and a half of rain is expected for some areas in deep East Texas. We're dry though and windy Thursday and Friday, but look at these temps, 60s and 70s across the board. Our next chance of rain is not going to occur until the middle part of next week. Of course, deep East Texas, 70s across the board. We just got to get through the rain tomorrow and the wind Thursday and Friday. Neil, Casey?
Carson, thank you for that.
Sports right now, a Chevrolet District Championship as well as history on the line Friday night in Gladewater. Garrett.
That's right.